Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook feed not refreshing. Is your Facebook feed not refreshing if new posts aren't loading or your news feed seems stuck? Here are several fixes that can get Facebook working properly again. So first is to check your internet connection. So close Facebook and open settings, then go to Wi-Fi. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Facebook to see if the feed updates. Next is to pull down to refresh. Sometimes the app just needs a manual refresh. So go to the top of your newsfeed and swipe down, just like this, until you see the loading option, just like so. Then see if that works on your side. So again, you just need to swipe down until you see the loading option. Next is to force close Facebook. So if the app is frozen, you can close it completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then swipe Facebook away. Open the app again and see if that works. Next is to update Facebook app. So open App Store, then search for Facebook, then open Facebook, and if you see an update option in there, go ahead and click that and make sure you're using the latest version. So outdated version can cause feed issues. So once updated, open Facebook again, then see if that works. About 30 seconds, then power it back on and launch the app again. Then see if that works.